Here's a pair of the TOZO NC3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is put this in the pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take the buds out of your case. You take the buds out of your case and wait a few seconds. If you're not paired to another device or connected to a device near you, you'll know that these will go in the pairing mode if one of these is blinking white, okay? You'll get like a slow, you have to look really closely though, okay? But I'm not getting a white blinking light on one of the earbuds or on either of them, no lights. And the reason is because I'm connected to a different device right now. So I'm connected to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. So let me just go to settings on this phone here. I'm gonna go to connections. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. And you can see that it's connected to TOZO NC3. So what I'm gonna do is turn Bluetooth off. And now as soon as I turn Bluetooth off, now I see a white blinking light on one of the earbuds. This one here, you can see. White, white, white. It's really hard to find. I have to wear my glasses. As soon as you tilt it, it disappears. You have to be like right on it. Anyway, it's in pairing mode now. So now quickly go to your Samsung TV and you want to go to the settings. You can just click on the home button on your remote. And then you want to move over to the left. And then you're going to go down to settings. Select that. And then all settings right there. And then from here, we're going to go to sound right there. And now we're going to move over to the right. And you see sound output is currently come out of my TV, but we wanted to come out of these. Okay, so I'm going to click on sound output. I'm going to go to Bluetooth speaker list. And now, hopefully these are still in the pairing mode, and we should be able to find it. Oh, I just saw it. Oh, there we go. Where'd it go? NC3, and it says needs pairing. Go ahead and select it. Pair and connect. Wait 1 second. Okay, and it is now connected. And then let me move up here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It says connected. The other ones, my other headphones earbuds, it says paired. Now, if you guys had any kind of issues where you couldn't put it in a pairing mode or you had pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.